My name is Sumant. I'm 19 years old. I'm currently pursuing my undergraduation in aeronautical engineering. I've been always interested in planes, and that's why I took this stream. And most importantly, I joined engineering to play basketball for a good basketball team, and I love to play the game. What I feel is I started playing this game when I was 16 years of age, and I actually fell in love with this game, and I'd never tried playing basketball before, and it was like cricket. We're Indians, cricket. So what I missed is my parents weren't from a sports background, so they didn't push me into any sport. It was just me trying out different games out of my interest. So if I had the support or the proper guidance, even when I started playing at the age of 16, I think I would have reached like different places right now. As you see, I've played for Karnataka. Playing for the national team is my dream. It'll definitely take time, but yeah, if I had started at the age of 12 or 14, it would have really helped. It might be too late, and there are definitely players who have started at a very early age, and that's the sport for them. I'd still like to give it a shot because this is what I believe in. This is what I love to do. Proper nutrition guidance, because nutrition is the key. It has to be good, and places to work out, good gyms, good basketball courts, and good coaches, stuff like that. All of them are actually connected together, because whatever you learn, it is going to help you in some point of your life. But obviously 5 years later, 10 years later, something better is obviously going to come. You have to adapt to it. You have to let go of this. There's something always better which is going to come, and yeah, you have to be prepared for it, and there's no platform to be prepared of it for now.
My name is Kushan, and I live in Rajajinagar, Bangalore, and my age is 13 years old. I go to Bishop Cotton Boys School, and I'm studying 8th standard. I like batting, and after I come to my coaching, my coaches even encourage me to bowl, and from last year I started to bowl and bat, so my main concentration is on batting. Top order I like to play because I can see the ball well, and especially in power plays I can hit the ball above the fielder. Weekly twice we have coaching here, Jawahar's Cricket Academy. When I go home with my friends especially, weekly thrice or twice we come here and practice cricket more. And in my home I have a hanging ball, and I practice that very much, and every day morning at 7 o'clock I wake up and I do my exercises, and then I get back to my studies. Yeah, they get and they bowl to others, the senior people, and I've seen. And it almost travel in a speed of 140 km. Yeah, I would like that. Mainly the app, that sounds interesting. And this is to be frank, this is the first app I've ever heard about.
My name is Shavna, and I study in Jain Heritage 5th grade. I like to play cricket because it helps people understand sportsmanship, teamwork, and a lot of things, naturally. I actually like Test cricket more than T20 or ODIs. MS and Kohli, because he inspires me. Cool, calm, he's a wicket keeper, which would I like to be in my future. Play well, try not to get out, learn to survive.
My name is Siddharth. I study in 5th grade. My dad plays cricket, but I like football. When I grow up, I want to be a football player. Yeah, musical. I'll do the same thing I told you that I never would. Told you I change even when I know I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. Hey. I focus on my talent by daily practicing. Like with my friends, I have more friends in my apartment. In one of my friends' apartment, there's a football court. So I kind of play there.
My name is Anirudh Shringeri. I am in 6th standard. So it's been continuing in the family. So my great grandfather actually played for the state, and so I'm just continuing the legacy. I'm mostly an all-rounder. Well, the rivalries, of course, it gets me tensed up and fired up. Like how the ball comes and the pace of it all, you know. So it just gets me passionate about it. One thing to do is hang up a hanging ball so you can practice your front foots and back foots. And also you could get somebody to help you, so basically throw it and you can. I would say that's really helpful because the apps like this are never to be found, so basically you would have to pay for premium just for one video or something like that. It will really help me improve my own game, of course, because if I play wrong in one match, I would know how I played and all of that, so I would be improved on in the next match. So I would just freak out because if there's some like international player who's talking to me, which is not common actually, I would just be freaked out. And
I'm Shreyas. I coach basketball here as a pastime. It's I have a printing press, and this is what I do in the weekends as a hobby. I started off when I was a small kid. When I was 6 years old, I came here and I got coached here. And I played for the state when I was a small kid and all that. So I came back here to give back what I got from the coaches here. So I want to give it to the young kids here. Aspirations as a coach is to see at least one or two of my kids play for the state and then go on to represent the country in the future. We can actually try, but it's a bit difficult because here what happens is we also concentrate on academics. So the kids who come here, we say you have to be a good, you should have to go to school. You cannot just drop out of school. You need to be good at school. Then only we let them play in the team. So we try to balance it out here. So if you want to think of the NBA, then they have to do it 24/7. It will be a bit difficult. So maybe in the future we can think of it in the future. I think more visibility that such things are happening here. Once you make sure that the NBA comes to know, even in India there are people who are from an young age trying to play basketball and they love the game of basketball. Why not just drop in, just go around, have a team here who can scout around for them. So visibility is the key, I guess. Visibility has to come. A couple of years back there was an NBA team, the Sacramento Kings and the Indiana Pacers who came to Bombay. I'd taken my kid and all to watch. So all those inspires people more. When we were playing, there was not the two steps, there was not the side step shot. All those were called as violations. So now it's all allowed, right? There is a zero step, there is the Euro step. All those are new things which we are also learning that. We watch the NBA, we watch a lot of matches, try to incorporate it, teach the kids to do the Euro step, teach the kids to take the zero step. Yeah, we are trying our best. Definitely it will be a very good use to me. So once we have the content and all that, we can definitely have a better, wider knowledge of how they are coaching and where we are lacking behind. And we can definitely try to adapt and coach in a better manner.